Hello guys, in this video I have come up with a fully software as a service website. Yes, you heard it right. I have come up with a fully SaaS website that I am going to give it to you for free. Yes, you heard it right. I am going to give it to you for free. All automation systems, all templates for free, just for you. Just what you have to do is stick till the end of this video and let's get started. So, first of all, what is this mini SaaS about? This mini SaaS is about it. Its name is personalized lead generator. Now, what it does, as its name sounds, it will find the target business leads and generate AI-powered personalized outreach messages for the leads. Enough talking, I will show you. So first we have to target a location. Let's say I would choose Sydney. I will choose a business type. Let's say gym. I'm targeting gym. And then you can add number of leads. You can go up to 100, but if you follow everything right, you can go up to 1000, but I will go only 10 because it is just a demo. So I will click on generate leads, and in matter of some seconds till I am talking with you, so it will create 10 leads with their whole data. See, yeah, there are 10 leads, 10 gym leads that we can see. And if we go with any of them, we can see category gym, status open, their opening time, their location, their website. Even we can visit with them on Google Maps. And view their website. But it doesn't seem interesting still yet. So what we can do is now we will generate a personalized messages for each of the gem that I'm going to show it to you. So first we will come to this option, select all with websites. It will select all gyms. If you want to exclude anyone, you can exclude. Let's say exclude these two. Again, include them. But for this sake of tutorial, again, I exclude these two. And now I have an option, generate personalized messages. And let's see, we click generate personalized messages. Now, it is asking that you want personalized message, but which service are you selling? Because it can make personalized message according to our services. It can't make personalized messages without knowing our service. So, for example, for the sake of this thing, I will add digital marketing, SEO marketing, increase leads and visibility. And I think it is enough. So let's click generate and apply messages. Now it will just in some seconds complete this. Just generating personalized messages for them. I have entered very basic things: digital marketing, SEO marketing, key benefits, increase leads and visibility, as SEO will increase their visibility. But let's see. the messages. Yes. And here are our messages. And you can see view message. And those we haven't selected have no message option. Now choose anyone. So it is plus fitness 24/7 Turmura. And let's see their message. Boost your fitness community with digital marketing. Hi Plus Fitness Turmura team. Are you ready to transform your fitness center? With our tailored digital marketing and SEO strategies, we can enhance your online presence, with driving more leads and elevating more visibility. In today's competitive gym market, a strong digital footprint is essential to attract new members and retain existing ones. You can read this whole, but I will show you more examples. Like this is Horns by 24/7 Gym, Hi H247 Gym as a family run gym. Now it extracted the whole data about that business, the gym, and now it is making personalized messages for them. So that's why it knows many things about them. So what it is saying is, as a family run gym, you have already created a welcoming space that resonates more fitness enthusiasts. With our tailored digital marketing and SEO services, we can enhance your visibility online and drive more leads your way, and so on. It is long. So it created the whole personalized emails and DMs. It not only created email, it created personalized DMs to send to your prospects. And now the final part. How can I send them more? I want to store them. If you want to store these leads in your own Google Sheet or anything, you can just simply click export leads and it will make a CSV and we can save it. Save. Now I will go to my Google Sheets and go to file and go to import. And now I will upload it, open, and in some matter of seconds, I will get all the data. Yes. So what we here get is business name, phone number, website, address, industry, rating, review count, price range, opening hours, Google Maps URL. And here here is our thing, message subject, message body, and direct message. Now just they need some tweaks about your name or whatever, or you can directly copy them and send to these businesses on native social sources. So I am going to provide this whole template and automation systems of it on my website and on my Gumroad for a very little amount of fee. But as I promised to my YouTube fame that I will give it to them for free. So I will give it to them for free on my free school community, Automation OS. You have to just join my free school community, Automation OS, and there you will get not only this template, but in future I will make more SaaS products template and give it to you for free at that community. So if you want to level up, join my community. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Cheers.